Question 15 है endocytosis is the process by which cell takes in material by fusing the vesicles with the membrane to expel material, invaginating its membrane to form a vacuole, simple diffusion through the lipid bilayer या फिर actively pumping ions out. Correct option is beta, invaginating या folding in its membrane to form a vacuole. Question 16 है phagocytosis is a form of endocytosis that is used to ingest liquid materials, solid particles, small ions या फिर waste product exclusively. Correct option is beta, phagocytosis engulf solid particles. Question 17 है pinocytosis also known as cell drinking involve uptake of large solid particles, bulk amount of liquid material, only proteins या air bubbles. Correct option is beta, bulk amount of liquid materials. Question 18 है exocytosis is the process by which a cell takes in large particles by cell invagination, expel material out of the cell through membrane fusion, transport molecules by diffusion या फिर maintain osmotic balance. Correct option is beta, expel material out of the cell through membrane fusion. Question 19 है the cell wall is best described as a living component of the cell that store nutrients, a non-living component secreted and maintained by protoplasm, Charlie, a flexible membrane identical to plasma membrane, या फिर delta, the main site of protein synthesis. Correct option is beta, non-living component secreted and maintained by protoplasm. Question 20 what is the chief structural component of the plant cell wall? Chitin, collagen, cellulose या phospholipids. Correct option is Charlie, cellulose. Question 21 besides cellulose, which compound is major component of the plant cell wall? Starch, pectin, glycogen या keratin. Correct option is beta, pectin. Question 22 the plant cell wall is divided into three distinct layers. Which layer act as a cementing substance between adjacent cells? Primary wall, secondary wall, middle lamella या plasmodesmata. Correct option is Charlie, middle lamella. Question 23 the primary cell wall is characterized by being thick and rigid, thin and elastic, absent in young cells या फिर composed solely of lignin. Correct option is beta, thin and elastic, approximately with 1.3 micrometer thickness. Question 24 the secondary cell wall which is found in mature cells is typically thin and flexible, thick and rigid, lacking in cellulose या फिर only present in animal cells. Correct option is beta, thick and rigid with 5 to 10 micrometer thickness. 25 question in the primary wall which component form matrix in which cellulose microfibrils are embedded? Pectin, hemicellulose, lignin या फिर cholesterol. Correct option is beta, hemicellulose. Question 26 plasmodesmata are important because they provide structural rigidity to the cell wall. Beta, allow communication between the cytoplasm of adjacent plant cells. Charlie, act as channel for diffusion of water through the plasma membrane. या फिर delta, they are the sites of cellulose synthesis. Correct option is beta. It allows communication between cytoplasm of the adjacent cells. Question 27 which of the following is not primary function of the plant cell wall? Providing mechanical support and definite shape, protecting the cell, acting as permeable structure for the movement of water and solute, regulating selective passage of substance into and out of the cell. Correct option is delta, regulating the selective passage of substance into and out of the cell. Question 28 cellulose derived from plant cell wall is widely used in the manufacturing of plastics, paper and textile, metals या फिर electronic devices. Correct option is beta, paper and textiles.